ओम सहनाववतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सो नमस्ते 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 वासुदेव जी, प्रणाम नीरज जी। So I am very sure that you people don't know about something, or few of you know, but not in that great detail. I was taking a consultation, I think on Thursday or Friday. I don't remember well which day. I think Thursday. It was an extensive consultation. So because it is priced high, I give much importance to that. And the native who was consulting asked me a question regarding his mother's health. And I was about to give him some remedy. We are astrologers. We have to give remedies. This is what we do. So I gave him the remedy of Deepadanam. How many of you know what is actually a Deepadanam? Do you know? Do you know what is a Deepadanam? I am very sure Manish ji knows what it. Manish ji, please.
जी, किसी स्पेसिफिक देवता के लिए दीप अर्पित करना। कुछ विशेष पद्धति भी उसकी अलग अलग हो सकती है, अलग अलग देवता के लिए।
Yes, 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 yes.
और उसके हिसाब से मास और तिथियां और बाकी चीज भी हो सकते हैं।
मास और तिथियां और बाकी चीज।
जी।
I was reading a post some day ago. Yes, Manjula ma'am, lightning deep in the teeth areas can also be done in home. The maximum part of remedy as used nowadays in the astrological field. Right now, there is a very famous remedy astrologer. He is known for his remedies. He created a name out of remedies. Right? He's very famous. Don't tell me his name. I know. And all others know. Those who don't know, that's okay. He gives fantastic remedies. He made a name out of remedies. Very popular astrologer. Many people follow him. I'm very sure many of you also follow him. His complete remedies came from, all of his remedies almost comes from Mantra Mahodadi and Sharda Tilak Tantra. The two prime texts. Mantra Mahodadi is almost one of the highest text on mantras, and Sharda Tilak is one of the highest on tantra. It is named as Sharda Tilak Tantra. But there are many texts on tantra, and tantra is to be learned from a competent guru, as I learned it from competent guru. Mantra should also be taken from a competent guru. As an astrologer, you should have siddhi in the mantra before you give it to the native. If you haven't done the mantra yourself up to the level of siddhi, that is 1 lakh japa, then it is not going to work. Be very sure. So that is important, that you do the mantra yourself before giving it to the native. As that astrologer follow Mantra Mahodadi, I follow some other text also. Mantra Maharnav is also there. The complete Veda Upanishad etc. is full of mantras. Puranas are also full of mantras. For an example, Garud Purana gives the best mantra for sun worship. Om Kholkai Tha mantra. So Puranas is replete with many mantras. Is that? The South Indians for mantra and tantra remedies follow Ishan Gurudeva Paddhati. And the remedies are not only limited to mantra and tantra. While using mantra, I have come across limitations. Let me be very clear. Tantra, you cannot initiate everyone into Tantra, especially Mahavidya. Okay. It is to be taken from a competent guru. And which guru is competent, deciding that is very difficult. Regarding mantra, people give mantra like they give candies. That's not true. Mantra goes through a long process of Sodhan, Prashan, etc. That is difficult to achieve. The mantra will not work if you haven't done the mantra yourself up to the level of Siddhi. That is the second factor. Third factor is mantra should be compatible to the native. I have written an article named Mantra Suitability, dealing with the same topic, how to find which mantra is suitable for you. Other than that, mantra should be done regularly as told. And the count of mantra cannot be decreased. It can only be increased. If you have done 108 mantras for the first time, you have to maintain the 108 mantra. You cannot decrease it. And the mantra should be done daily. And if the person whom you have given the mantra don't do it daily, then the problem comes to you. That is the reason I am against giving this mantra like candies. Another thing is, you cannot give mantra to the people of other religion. To a Jain person, to a Bauddha person, to a Muslim person, to a Christian person, to a Parsi person, I cannot give a mantra. Although there are many Parsi mantras also, there are many Jain mantras also. That Jain Mahamantra, Navarna mantra is there, Namo Oryantanam, that mantra that I frequently give for remedies to Jain people also. Right, and Bisa yantras are also used in the Jain tradition as far as I know. So Bisa, Ekisa, Pandraya, these yantras also I do give. But these things comes with limitations. Spiritual practices are to be followed. You cannot do them as per your wish. You have to follow them strictly. Other than mantras, people know of very few remedies. That is their restriction as an astrologer. The best remedial astrologers that I have met over India, I haven't been to foreign lands till now. Up to India, maximum astrologers that I have met, especially those very successful with remedies, I hardly found them giving mantras, because they are well aware of these facts that I have just told you. They generally give other remedies. Other remedies can be related to plants. I know an astrologer from Rajasthan who used to give plants as a remedy. Eating leaf of a certain plant, wearing root of a certain plant, planting a certain plant, etc. People also plant nakshatra trees. I don't find this practice very good, because some nakshatras are bad also. You cannot do any remedy for any planet. Depending on the planet is benefic or malefic, strong or weak, remedies change. But that certain astrologer from Rajasthan used to give remedies. For an example, if Leo, problem related to Leo is there, he will rather say to plant a tree of cactus in his home. Such remedies he used to give, which also worked miraculously as far as I have seen. People and the feedback that people gave, I also remain in contact with those people who came to consult him while I was there. Two, three friends of mine live in Rajasthan. I generally go to visit them and then also visit other astrologers also. क्या दिन का समय फालतू बैठे क्या करेंगे ज्ञान अर्जन. This is what I do. This is what is my approach. Multiple other remedies can also be given. Remedies related to plants I have seen quite a successful. Gemstones are not a very strong remedy. Gemstone is a very weak remedy. And as I just told you, remedies have limitations also. Gemstones are only useful in physical ailments. But the reason behind popularity of gemstone is that anyone can wear it. Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, Sikh, Isai, all the 266 religions of the world can wear it without harming their spiritual interests, etc. Right? For this reason, gemstones are popular. Multiple remedies can be given. I want your feedback in the comment of the video or in the group. Alok Jyotish. That if you want me to do a video on remedies through plants, there are multiple levels to it. There are plants for Rashi, plants for house, plants for Nakshatra, plants for certain planetary combination. For an example, if there is a combination of Sun and Mercury, what we know as Buddhaditya Yoga, or a better word, Nipun Yoga. Buddhaditya Yoga is not a name. There are two types of names for a yoga. One is the name which specifies the condition, right? Buddha Aditya Yoga, the combination between Buddha and Aditya, Mercury and Sun. Another is the result oriented name, Nipun Yoga, that the person is well versed in multiple things. He knows multiple things. Buddhaditya Yoga gives you this tendency. He is well versed in multiple things. I don't have a Buddhaditya Yoga, so I am not well versed into multiple things. I am only well versed into astrology. The person with Buddhaditya Yoga will be well versed in multiple things. He will be good in computer, good in astrology, good in drawing, good in sketching. Multiple things he will be good at. Nipun Yoga. It makes one Nipun and well versed in something. So, comment if you want me to do a video on remedies through plants. I will give you some selected remedies. My point for this class was, this section of the class was Deepadana. In the Mantra Bahudadi, there comes a shloka. Okay, before I go to the shloka, I don't remember the shloka. Before I go to the shloka, let me quote two incidents. A client of mine told me that he want a remedy for Sudarshan. Sudarshan, the discus of Vishnu. He said, sir, I want a Sudarshan mantra. I was like, what you will do by having a Sudarshan mantra? Remedy should be spiritually uplifting also. I discouraged him to have a Sudarshan mantra. I never gave him that. If I deny you for something, it is for some certain reason, right? You should understand that, but people don't understand. Okay, that's not a problem. You understand it, it is okay. You don't understand it, that's okay as well. Some days after that, a lady astrologer also wrote an article on Sudarshan mantras. I read that article. Although I don't have that much time to read the complete article, I saw that article. There were many mantras, etc. I find it a very wrong practice to give mantras like this. You don't know which person reads the post and start doing mantra. I have met many people in their young age, 20s, etc., who have read article and started doing the mantra. This is the worst thing you can do to yourself. Mantra have a complete video, Puraschan, Ashman, Shodhan, etc., etc., etc. Multiple things are there. And it have to be from the mouth of a guru who have done the mantra himself also. Also, it should come in tradition, which tradition the guru comes from. But rather than having a Sudarshan mantra, it is better to have a mantra of Kartaviri Arjun. Kartaviri Arjun was the king who was killed by Parshuram. Kartaviri Arjun was the avatar of incarnation of Sudarshan. Once upon a time, Sudarshan's ego got boosted, and he thought that Vishnu can only kill people with my help, not without my help. So he took avatar as Kartaviri Arjun. Kartaviri Arjun was one of the kings who defeated Ravana also. And Kartaviri Arjun was killed by Parshuram. But Kartaviri Arjun is the avatar of Sudarshan. And rather than doing the direct Sudarshan mantras, the mantra of Kartaviri Arjun gives better result, is what I have said. When do you find the mantra of Kartaviri Arjun? You will search and you will get many results over the internet. Don't fall for them. Have to be taken from a competent guru, especially when the deity is Udra. Otherwise, you do a mantra, some bad result will happen, and then no one will be there to control it. Suppose you start doing a mantra and financial decline starts happening, then God can only save you because Guru is not there, so he cannot save. See, what is the profit of having a Guru? I will give you an example. One sadhaka was there, and I was sitting with a Tantra Guru. So the sadhaka came, and the lady asked for something. The lady asked for something. Generally, Dhumavati is not worshipped by ladies. The lady asked for something. As she was a widow and some other things were there. So the person whom I was sitting with gave her a mantra of Dhumavati. He himself was initiated into the tradition. The person who recommended, not an astrologer, just a tantric. When the lady went away, she told me that she will have huge financial losses. I quickly understood, because it is a Dhumavati mantra. Financial losses will be there. I remained with that tantric for some 2-3 weeks. I'm not living with him. He was living close to one of my friend's house. I was living in my friend's house. So one day we were chilling together, tantric and me, is talking about this mundane things and all this thing. This minister is bad, that minister is bad, do you smoke weed, etc. He told me that lady came, I'm like, okay. And she told me that she's having financial trouble. I'm like, okay, so what you did? It's like I gave her a mantra of Mahadev and told her to do the mantra 10 times more as she does the Dhumavati mantra. He told him to do the Dhumavati mantra for 28 times because there are 28 nakshatras and he wanted to do remedy for some nakshatra. Generally, I have seen this tantrics, etc. They don't see the chart, but based on the natural significations of the nakshatras, they take an idea about which nakshatra must be afflicted and give a remedy related to that. Is what I have found. This is how astrology is interwoven into all the remedial sciences. So he gave him a certain nakshatra kind of remedy, and that's why he told him to do the mantra for 28 times. And when the lady came saying that she's having financial losses, she was an independent lady, of course, he told him to do the Panchakshari for 280 times a day. 280 times before the Dhumavati mantra. Because the mantra of a female deity should be done 1/10 as compared to the mantra of a male deity. So he gave him the Mahadev mantra for peace and stability. That her mind don't dwindle much. But the problem was not solved. I knew it. The problem will not go. Financial losses will still be there. Right. So he gave him the mantra. the lady became firm. I left the place. I am very sure that the lady will still have financial losses. I am yet to meet that tantric, most probably by the as soon as the lockdown, and I will rush to him. Not to him, to my friend for some reason, and see if I can find that tantric. Also, these tantrics change their place every now and then. But the place where my friend lives is his hometown actually, and he's celibate. Celibate and the only one living in his family, quite old. He keeps on visiting there. So see if I can meet him. The appropriate thing that must have been is to give her either a Lalita mantra or to give her a Lakshmi mantra also with that mantra. So the mantra of the male deity to be done in a certain amount, mantra of the Mahavidya 1/10 of the fraction, and mantra of the other supporting deity 1/10 from the Mahavidya mantra count is the procedure that should be followed. But let me warn you strictly, I have just told you this for knowledge purpose, not for any practical purpose. Don't start doing any Mahavidya mantra. If you get a loss, I am not responsible for that. Or any mantra from any video of mine. If you are going to start something, send me a message and seek my approval first. Better to take a consultation. This way, you get away with the karma of taking a free help from me. I get away with the karma of giving a free help, and I'm in a better position to guide you. Otherwise, if you are not going to take a consultation, be very sure that I am not going to entertain you much. Right? My main thing was, ma'am, Lalita is a Mahavidya, Lakshmi is not a Mahavidya. Lakshmi is a normal Devi. And Lalita is a Mahavidya. Lalita Sahasranam can be done, but I recommend Lalita Trishati for finances. But once again, Mahavidya is a different play, and only by competent guru. Lakshmi mantra Kanakdara is best. If anyone wants money, Kanakdara is best. Kanakdara is best. Facing north direction, chant Kanakdara, sitting on a asan made up of blanket. There are some special techniques in chanting. Some special things have to be done with some special mudra. If one gets that, then the complete mantra is decoded. Some special mantras are to be done when your tongue touches upper portion of your mouth like this. Some mantras, some words are to be chanted like that. Some words are to be chanted with open mouth, some with closed mouth. So you cannot just sing complete thing in one tone. Few words have to be silent. Lalita Trishati, it is a stotra, not a mantra, man. But don't do it. It is a Mahavidya stotra at the end of the day. Although I must not have told this altogether, because जो initiated है वो आपके पास आएगा नहीं, और जो initiated नहीं है उसको आप initiate कर नहीं सकते. तो ये बात मेरे को आपको बोलनी नहीं चाहिए थी, but still for the knowledge purpose I have told. Better to stay away. Yes, Manjula, better to stay away. Lakshmi mantra Kanakdara Stotra. If you are having financial problem, Kanakdara Stotra is there. Or even better, do the Tithi Lord mantra. Tithi Lord Stotra I have given you, mantra I have not yet. Tithi Lord mantra is better. Even far better, check the nakshatra of the moon and do the mantra for that nakshatra. Because moon gives money. Moon money. Moon is the elder brother of Lakshmi. Multiple remedies are there. Mantra Mahodati. Every day is always better, man. Puja is Nitya Karma. Doing Nitya Karma every day is normal. If you don't do Nitya Karma every day, then it is a problem.
Every day is moon nakshatra changes, so every day different
नहीं
nakshatra.
नहीं वो और बर्थ चार्ट का लेना है ना आपको नक्षत्र ट्रांजिट वाले
अच्छा
योर बर्थ चार्ट
अभी तो आपने हाँ अभी तो आपने दिया नहीं है, हाँ बताया नहीं है अभी।
नक्षत्र मंत्र वो तो हर क्लास के स्टार्टिंग में मैं तो बोलता रहा हूँ कि ये आज ये नक्षत्र है ये मंत्र है।
हाँ तो वो आप बोलते हैं हम सुन लेते हैं।
मैं इसको किसी एक पीडीएफ बना के किसी आर्टिकल में प्रेजेंट कर दूंगा। पुनर्वसु ओम आदित्य ओम अदिति let me leave the mantra nakshatra mantra will do someday in some pre class as per my mood. My point was about deepdanam, unnecessarily making the class long. So mantra Maudati says deepdanam is favorite to Kartavirya Arjun. Kartavirya Arjun is the avatar of Sudarshan. This what I just told you. Yes, as Nyama, if Gandamul Nakshatra is there, then it have to be done compulsorily. If Gandamul Nakshatra is there, then compulsory to be done. Compulsory. बहुत ही ज़्यादा. So if Gandamul Nakshatra is not there, then it is optional if you want to increase your finances. If Gandamul Nakshatra is there, do it for sure. Pakka. It will be a remedy for Gandamul also, na? So I told you that Kartavirya Arjun is the avatar for Sudarshana. Fine. What do you think why Sudarshan is worshipped? Come on, tell me. ऐसे नहीं बैठना जैसे कि मेरे को लगे कि ये फ्री क्लास लेना बेकार चीज है, लोग कुछ बोलते हैं नहीं, क्या फायदा।
To win over enemy.
Sorry, Pradeep ji.
To win over enemy.
Sorry, sir. I'm still not able to hear what you said.
To win over the enemy. He's saying win over the enemy.
Yes. Neha ma'am gave me the right answer. To avoid the enemy. Right, to avoid the enemy. This is what we do Sudarshan Mantra for. Taking a cue from what? Yes, Ramakrishna ji, for protection also. Taking a cue from what the Mahidhar, the author of Mantra Maudati, wants to say in indirect manner. Deepdanam can be done for Hanuman, can be done for Pitrus, can be done for Pushan, a form of sun who is the lord of the Pitrus. Can be done for many deities. We can take it as a rule that Deepdanam is good to get away with enemies. What is the best remedy for enemies? To win over enemies, what is the best remedy? I told you it. I told this in a previous class also. Anyone remember? Come on. I told it in a class, free class, that is uploaded by now, I think. In the Tithi relationship class itself, I told, right? If I remember.
चिड़ियों के पानी रखना चाहिए।
वो आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र करने के लिए, है ना?
कार्तिकेय पशुपालन।
आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र, आपका उत्तर ठीक।
हाँ जी, आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र।
आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र। डूइंग आदित्य
रावण को मारने जा रहे थे।
रावण को मारने जा रहे थे, तो आदित्य हृदय का पाठ किया। फिर आदित्य जिसके शत्रु हो वो तो जीवित रह ही नहीं सकता ना। There can be no enemy for sun. If only he stops coming to the sky, many people will die. So